नमस्कार। श्री श्री रामकृष्ण कथामृत। तव कथामृतं तप्तजीवनं कविभिरीडितं कल्मषापहं श्रवणमङ्गलं श्रीमदादतं भुवि गृह्णन्ति ये भूरिदा जनाः। श्री श्री रामकृष्ण कथामृत प्रथम भाग तृतीय खंडो द्वितीय परिच्छेद. And we have seen how cordially, how heartily, with all the love and reverence, Sri Ramakrishna has been welcomed at this semi-annual function of the Brahmo Samaj at Sindhi. Sindhi at the Beni Madhav Pal's garden house, the beautiful garden house and nicely decorated. And as Sri Ramakrishna comes in and sees Shivnath and others, and he is absolutely delighted, and he tells Shivnath, "Oh Shivnath, you are such a great devotee. I am so delighted to see you." And Sri Ramakrishna has given that example of the hemp smoker, one hemp smoker meeting another hemp smoker, and is so delighted that here is another chance of enjoying a smoke of hemp and getting intoxicated. And here, in the case of Shivnath Shastri and other Brahmo devotees, Sri Ramakrishna is delighted that this is going to be another session of divine intoxication. And now he starts, having taken the seat with all these devotees around. Sri Ramakrishna starts talking to them, and naturally, the talk is nothing but God centered. And he discusses about Shongshari Loker Shobhav, the nature of the worldly people, and Nam Mahatma, the greatness, the importance of chanting the name. Sri Ramakrishna. যাদের দেখি ঈশ্বরে মন নই তাদের আমি বলি তোমরা একটু এখানে গিয়ে বসো, অথবা বলি যাও বেশ বিল্ডিং রাসমণির কালীবাড়ির মন্দির সকল দেখবে, সকলের হাসি. Sri Ramakrishna tells them, here I am so delighted to see you, the devotees. But do you know, when I see a person whose mind is not God inclined, who is far away from spirituality, the moment I see him coming to me, I tell him, তাদের আমি বলি তোমরা একটু এখানে গিয়ে বসো, you just go and sit there. There is no need to come and sit here, because here you won't get anything of your liking. Whatever is discussed here won't be of your choice. You go and sit there. Athpa boli, or sometimes I tell, jao jao, besh building dekho go. Go and see the beautiful buildings around this Rasmani's Kali temple. There are beautiful buildings around here, beautiful garden. Go and see all those places. Need not come and sit here and waste your time because you won't get anything of your interest. I won't talk worldly things. You don't like spiritual things. So why come and waste your time sitting here? And then everybody starts laughing. And then Sri Ramakrishna further starts telling them, আবার দেখছি যে ভক্তদের সঙ্গে হাবাতে লোক এসেছে. Again, time and again I see that the devotees, they are accompanied by people who have no interest in spirituality. Rather, they are all the worldly people, worthless people as far as the talk pertaining to divinity, divine mother, the Lord is concerned. They are just useless. for such talks. তাদের ভারী বিষয় বুদ্ধি. Their minds are filled with worldly thoughts. That's it. They don't have any other thought with them. ঈশ্বরীয় কথা ভালো লাগে না. They don't like talk about the Lord. They don't like talk about the Divine Mother. ওরা হয়ত আমার সঙ্গে অনেকক্ষণ ধরে ঈশ্বরীয় কথা বলছে. Now, the people with whom they have come, the devotees, the real devotees, they like to talk to me for a long time about spiritual things, about God, about Divine Mother. এদিকে এরা আর বসে থাকতে পারে না, ছটপট করেছে. These people who have no interest in the godly talks, এদিকে এরা আর বসে থাকতে পারে, they don't feel like sitting there any moment because the talks are not of their interest. We are not talking anything about the worldly enjoyments, about the money matters. No. When you are with Sri Ramakrishna, the talk is only God-centered. So Sri Ramakrishna is telling them, now these people, the worldly-minded people, the useless people as far as the spiritual path is concerned, they get very restless sitting with the devotee friends over there talking to me. They get very restless. ছটপট করে, বারবার কনে কনে ফিস করে বলছে. Every now and then they keep on whispering in the ears of their devotee friends. They keep on murmuring in the ears of their devotee friends. বলছে, কখন যাবে, কখন যাবে, when are we going back? When are we going back? How long you are going to sit here? Because they are restless. The topic is not of their interest. তারা হয়ত বললে, দাঁড়াও না হে, আর একটু পরে যাব. And then the devotees who are enjoying the Sri Ramakrishna's talks, they slowly tell them, hey, don't be so impatient, just wait for some time, then we will go. But that some time is never ending when you're talking with Sri Ramakrishna regarding Divine Mother. So they just tell him, don't be so impatient. আর একটু পরে যাব. We'll just go after a little while. তখন এরা বিরক্ত হয়ে বলে, তবে তোমরা কথা কও, আমরা নৌকায় গিয়ে বসি. সকলের হাসি. Now, these desperate people, what they tell them, okay, if that is the thing, then do one thing. You finish your talk, we will go and sit in the boat and wait for you to come back, and then we will go back to Calcutta. So that is the kind of people that also accompany the true devotees. And then further Sri Ramakrishna says, সংসারী লোকদের যদি বলো যে সব ত্যাগ করে ঈশ্বরের পাদপদ্মে মগ্ন হো, তা তারা কখনো শুনবে না. Never. Sri Ramakrishna says, such kind of worldly minded people, if you tell them that you renounce everything and put your mind on the lotus feet of the Lord, you just get merged mentally, meditate upon the lotus feet of the Lord, তারা কখনো শুনবে, they will never listen to it. It is not their cup of tea. তাই বিষয়ী লোকদের টানবার জন্য গৌড় নিতাই দুই ভাই মিলে পরামর্শ করে এই ব্যবস্থা করিলেন. That's why Sri Ramakrishna says that in order to lure in order to attract such worldly minded people, the brothers Gaur and Nitai, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Nityananda, they devised this strategy, this plan they devised, and they started shouting, what? এই ব্যবস্থা করিলে, they devised this strategy of মাগুর মাছের ঝোল, যুবতী মেয়ের কোল, bol hari bol. They devised this strategy. They came up with this scheming plan of telling these worldly people, Magur mache jhol, Juboti meir kol. Enjoy the Magur is a variety of fish, very, very delicacy, absolutely delicacy and delicious preparation. Mm. Magur machir jhol. Jhol is curry with all the mm, wonderful spices in it. So what plan Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Nityananda, they concocted for such kind of worldly peoples to get attracted to the name of the Lord, to Harinam. They started declaring, come, enjoy the name of Lord, chant the name of Hari, and you will get Magur Machir Jhol. You will get the delicious curry made out of the Magur fish. Not only that, Jubuti Meir Kol. You will also get an opportunity of embracing a beautiful girl. That what else worldly people want then? People will start flocking. And প্রথম দুইটির লোভে অনেকে হরি বল বলতে যেত। Now, tempted by the first two things of the delicacy of that fish curry, that delicious fish curry, and opportunity to embrace a girl, they started taking Harinam. Hare Ram, Hare Ram. And then হরিনাম সুধার একটু আস্বাদ পেলে বুঝতে পারতো যে মাগুর মাছের ঝোল আর কিছুই নয়, হরি প্রেমে যে অশ্রু পড়ে। And then they realized that what is Magur Machir Jhol? This fellow has tempted us to take and chant the name of Hari. That you will get the delicious fish curry. What is that? So tempted by that, people started chanting the name of the Lord, but then later they realized, what is this fish curry? This fish curry is nothing but the delight they got by chanting the name of the Lord, and when they started shaking tears of joy, they started taking tears towards love for the lotus feet of the Lord. That was the fish curry they were tempted by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And with that attraction, they had started taking the name, and then they realized, oh, this fellow, he wanted to chant us the name of the Lord, to enjoy this fish curry. Not the fish curry which we had thought of. And what about that embracing the beautiful girl? Tai, in the same way, Yuti meye kina Prithvi, not that beautiful girl, no beautiful girl, but what is that? It is our Mother Earth. যুবতী মেয়ের কোল কিনা ধুলায় হরি প্রেমে গড়াগড়ি. So that embrace, that hug is basically what? Chanting the name of the Lord, you get intoxicated. You lie on the floor, you lie on the ground, and you start shedding tears. You start embracing the ground in the name of Hari. Such a beautiful, devious plan Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Nityananda had created for attracting such worldly people. So that was the wonderful thing Sri Ramakrishna is now telling to these Brahmo devotees about the nature of worldly people. You can tame them only with the Harinam, and then they will realize what is the fish curry and what is that embrace. নিতাই কোন রকমে হরিনাম করিয়ে নিতেন. Now, the way Nitai is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. In one way or other, they found a way for people to chant the name of the God. Tempt them with the worldly things. They will realize later on that what he had tempted us with is this divine bliss. Chaitanya Dev বলেছিলেন ঈশ্বরের নামের ভারী মাহাত্ম্য. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he had declared, he had told, he had said that Ishwarer Naam Bhari Mahatma, the name of the Lord is not insignificant. The name of the Lord has such great importance. শীঘ্র ফুল না হতে পারে, কিন্তু কখনো না কখনো এর ফুল হইবেই হবে. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, you may not get instant result, but keep on chanting, keep on repeating, keep on taking the name of the Lord. Sometime or the other, you will definitely get its fruit. You will definitely test that fruit of bliss one day or another. It will never go waste, chanting the name of the Lord. যেমন কেউ বাড়ির কার্নিশের উপর বীজ রেখে গিয়েছিল, অনেক দিন পরে বাড়ি ভূমিসাৎ হয়ে গেল, তখনও সেই বীজ মাটিতে পড়ে গাছ হলো ও তার ফুলও হলো. Thakur is giving another very practical example. Say for example, কেউ বাড়ির কার্নিশের উপর বীজ রেখে গিয়েছিল. Somebody, there is a seed in some corner, intricate cornice of your house. Maybe mustard seed, cumin seed, something, it goes and falls in that crevice somewhere, gets hidden. অনেক দিন পরে, after some days, বাড়ি ভূমিসাৎ হয়ে গেল. After some days, the house collapses. The nature's own course. People construct house, then people go away, the house gets abandoned, then the house also falls. That kind of thing. তখনও সেই বীজ মাটিতে পড়ে গাছ হলো ও তার ফুলও হলো. Now, that seed which has fallen on the ground and got hidden in some nook and corner, some crevice, it develops into a tree. First it takes the shape of a small plant, then tree, and over a period of time, that will also bear fruit. Like we see in the ancient places, old places. Why only ancient? Even the old 100-150-year-old places where the houses have actually gone down, where they have just fallen on the floor and ground. Nothing is remaining. But from some nook and corner of the place where that house stood palatially once upon a time, there suddenly you will find one tree which has come up and nicely flowering, and that beautiful scene we can see. In fact, I have seen a similar scenario when I had visited Calcutta once, and I desperately wanted to see the place of Aghormani Devi, Sri Ramakrishna's disciple, who Gopalerma, who used to consider Sri Ramakrishna as little Gopal, and she used to look upon our Ma as a daughter-in-law. So once when I had gone to Calcutta, I thought of seeing that place, and I had seen that place where that small hut used to be there. Now it is all gone. That small house was there during her lifetime, and now nothing is there. It is all a plain ground, and somebody has bought that entire area. But there were the place where her house stood at once upon a time, one point of time. There, the beautiful trees come up. They are all flowering, yellow flowers, and that was a beautiful sight to see. And I just thought, oh, what a wonderful thing! Gopalir must have been staying here on the bank of the Ganges, and then Sri Ramakrishna must have come from Dakshineshwar to this place and had a jolly good time being fed by Gopalir to her Gopal. So that was it. And this chapter continues next with wonderful talk by Sri Ramakrishna about Manusha Prakritiyo Gunotroyo. Now he's talking about the Sattva, Rajas, and Tamas, the three gunas affecting the human beings. That we will see next. Till then, Om Namah Shri Bhagavate Ramakrishnaaya. Shri Ramakrishna Arpanamastu. Jai Thakur, Jai Ma, Jai Swamiji.